Hello friends, welcome. Today we are going to learn fuzzy logic system with the help of example. We have already covered what is fuzzy logic system and how we are implementing it, and but what is the architecture of that fuzzy logic system. So we are going to start with the example of the fuzzy logic system. So this is the example of the fuzzy logic system. Here you can see, let us consider an air conditioning system with 5-level fuzzy logic system. This system will adjust the temperature of the air conditioner by comparing the two values. First one is the room temperature and second one is the target temperature value. So it will set the system according to the temperature. It will adjust the temperature of the air conditioner by comparing the two values. First one is the room temperature and second one is the target temperature value. Now we will see with example. Here is the algorithm for the air conditioning system, that how it properly works. First one, what happens? Define the linguistic variables in the terms. We have to define the linguistic variables in the terms, and then we have to construct the membership function for them. Then we have to construct the knowledge base of the rules. Knowledge base of the rules means we have to construct the if-then rules. Then convert the crisp data into fuzzy data sets using the membership function fuzzification. So using fuzzification, we have already seen, using fuzzification we can convert the crisp data sets, data inputs into the fuzzy data sets. So here we are using the membership function for the fuzzification. Next is we have to evaluate the rules in the rule base using the inference engines. Next we have to combine the results from the each rule and convert the output data into the non-fuzzy values, that is crisp values, using the defuzzifications. Next is, this is a diagram which is showing the complete working of the air conditioning system, that how it completely works. Here you have a room and this is the air conditioner. Air conditioner will set the value of the air conditioner on the basis of the two values. First one, it will compare the values of the room temperature and the target temperatures, and these values are going as an input to the fuzzy logic system. It will take the fuzzy logic system will take the input as the crisp data and it will convert it into the fuzzy data sets. So it will take the crisp data sets, and the commands here we have heat, cool and the no change. I will clear this with the one example. Suppose we know very well that we have a fuzzification module. We have a fuzzification module. We have a fuzzification module, and we have already seen that this fuzzy inputs taken by this fuzzifier. Fuzzification process is done by this. So it will take the fuzzy inputs, fuzzifier will take the fuzzy inputs and then it will convert it into the crisp data sets. So defuzzifier is there. It will take the fuzzy inputs and it will convert it into the crisp data sets, while the fuzzifier will take the crisp data and convert it into the fuzzy sets. So this is a basic whole procedure is working behind this fuzzification and the defuzzification module. I hope this concept is clear to you. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.